My name is Mazan. I'm from Ishik International School.
My name is Ahmed Zaman. I'm from Ishik International School.
Our topic is about natural solutions for modern food preservations. Introduction. The category is chemicals and natural preservatives. I'm going to talk about chemicals. Often people use lots of chemicals to preserve food and they worry if it's safe or not. I think it's not safe. There's a lot of healthier options like
natural preservatives. It's derived from plant-based organic acids and fermented processes, and it's much cheaper and sustainable option as consumer preferences shift toward clean label and minimally processed foods. You might think that no one is looking after this problem, but food factories are increasingly exploring natural solutions for food preservation.
So now we're going to talk about these food here. Here's packet snacks which contain preservatives because of the color and the flavor. It's preservatives is in them because to last them longer.
And this is sugar, which is not a really good option, but it's an option if we want to draw moisture out of sugary food.
And here we have salt and vinegar. Salt is used to moisturize the food, and vinegar is used to make an acidic environment for the food to last them longer and make the food taste fresh.
So these are samples of yogurt and cheese homemade and store-bought.